This video provides a quick overview of the ITSM process as implemented in the ServiceNow platform and shows how service requests flow through the core applications to resolution. Linked timecodes for these topics appear in the YouTube description for this video. When users experience an interruption or reduction in the quality of an IT service, such as Wi-Fi, or an issue with local software or hardware, like a scanner, they log incidents to request help from IT. Incident management is the ITSM process aimed at restoring service operation as quickly as possible and minimizing business impact. There are several ways users can report incidents on the ServiceNow platform: by sending an email message to the email address issued for their instance, by calling the service desk, or by requesting help through self-service. A service catalog facilitates request management. An organization may create one or more catalogs of products and shared services to offer its employees, customers, suppliers, and others. A service catalog can contain almost anything: products like computer equipment, software, furniture, or office supplies, and services like work requests, password reset, or support to resolve incidents. Often, an incident is related to one or more CIs. If the CMDB is populated, the CI records hold valuable information to help resolve incidents. A mature organization may create and associate a problem or change request to an incident. For example, if more than one incident appears to have a common underlying cause and you need root cause analysis to identify it, creating a problem is the way to go. Here, multiple users reporting issues with a scanner could point to a problem with the network or the multifunction peripheral device containing the scanner. If the root cause analysis exposes an issue with the IT infrastructure that requires a change request is generated to introduce beneficial change to the organization with minimum disruption to IT services. For example, in this case, the scanner needs a software patch. When the change is completed and the change request closed, the problem is closed and all related incidents are resolved. Not all incidents are escalated to problems, and not all problems require change requests for resolution. The ServiceNow ITSM core applications are Incident, Problem, Change, Service Catalog, and Configuration. Here's how they work. We're logged into our service portal as an employee who has no role on the ServiceNow platform. We're having an issue with a network scanner, so we need to log an incident. But first, let's take a quick look at the Service Catalog, which is also available in the platform user interface. Here, we can search or browse by categories. For example, here are office services. We could also order hardware, software, or peripherals from here. This is the category we want to report our issue. We just fill out the form and submit it, and our IT staff will get on it right away. The system automatically created an incident record from that simple end-user form. This makes it easy for fulfillers, people who handle requests in the system, to manage and track the incident along with any other records related to it through the ITSM process. Here, we're logged in as Beth, who has the ITIL role required to access the incident, problem, change, and other ITIL-related applications. ITIL stands for Information Technology Infrastructure Library, which is an integrated, process-based best practice methodology for managing IT services. ITIL is about optimizing IT service delivery and support to improve business operations. The ServiceNow platform aligns with the ITIL methodology to support ITIL adoption and IT operations through core applications on a single system of record with workflow and automation. ITSM in the ServiceNow platform is certified on 11 of the ITIL processes. The default ITIL homepage contains reports commonly used by fulfillers. You can personalize this homepage to meet your own needs. Beth is logged into the phone queue, and here comes a call.
Thanks for calling support. This is Beth. How can I help you?
Hi, this is Denise Spiegel. I want to report a scanner not working. It's the one attached to the first floor printer. A sign on the printer says its IP address is 127.0.0.1. Does that sound right?
We fill in the incident form with as many details as possible to aid in identification and classification of the issue.
Yes. Thanks for letting us know. We'll get someone on that right away. and as the caller, you'll receive email notifications to keep you informed of progress.
Priority is a calculated field based on impact and urgency. Priority can't be set directly. Here's the priority calculation lookup table from the product documentation. After we submit the incident, it appears here in the active incidents list, and it looks like there are several other scanner incidents as well. Let's take a look. These may all be related. This one was submitted by email. Here are the details from the message the system used to create the incident. Let's fill in some of these other fields as best we can and assign it to the hardware group and to Beth. By default, the system uses text in the short description field to search for knowledge base articles that may help to resolve the issue. Those search results are displayed here. In this case, the scanner issue can't be resolved by any of the users who logged incidents. It needs to be handled by IT. But sometimes the solution to an incident is documented in a KB article, which can be attached to the incident and communicated to the caller. Because we changed the impact value, work notes are required. And now let's fill in the details for this other scanner incident, which was submitted by self-service. Assigned to Me lists incidents assigned to the currently logged in user. Here are the 3 scanner incidents. We need to create a problem to conduct root cause analysis. But first, let's take a quick look at SLAs, or service level agreements. Notice that the priority for this incident is 3, moderate. Here's the service level agreement that applies to priority 3 incidents. According to this, we have 1 day to resolve the incident. We can track the time left and elapsed time here, or in the SLA timeline. It's green now, but as time passes without resolution, it will turn yellow and orange as a warning, and red if the SLA is breached. Here are the base system settings for the timeline colors. We don't want to see red, so let's get to work on the problem. First, we set the state of this and the other incidents to On Hold, Awaiting Problem. This ensures that when a problem related to the incidents is closed, the incidents will automatically be resolved. We could create the problem here in the problem application, but if we create the problem directly from the incident, some of the fields are automatically filled in, and the incident is related to the problem. All we need to do is relate those other 2 incidents to the problem. Filtering the list makes it easier to find them. We preview them to confirm, and then add them to the incidents list. Here they all are, related to this problem. Now we just fill out the rest of the problem form. We already confirmed that this is the configuration item, and the scanner isn't working. We assign it to the hardware group and to Beth, and update the record. Now, here on the incident form, we can easily access that problem record again from the Related Records section. We've done some research and discovered that the multifunction peripheral device containing the scanner needs a software update, so we'll note that here and change the state to Pending Change. Now let's save this and create a change request. We could create the change here in the Change application, but doing it directly from the problem record automatically fills in some of the fields on the form and relates the change to the problem. Change management follows a state model to move and track change requests through several states. The form contains sections to help you plan, schedule, and document the change so as to minimize risk and maximize the probability of success. Now our change has been implemented and is in the review state. The test plan was carried out and passed. The change is complete, and now the change request can be closed as successful. When we close the change, the system closes the related problem automatically based on closure of the change request. And that's documented here in the problem record. The incidents are automatically moved to the resolved state. Our system is set up to close incidents after being in the resolved state for 1 day. The resolution notes in each incident document the basis for closure. So the whole ITSM process is managed, tracked, and documented on the ServiceNow platform. For more information, please consult our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.